The one of the white, Rasta, dirty, stinking blood clot boy. You damn poor, dirty boy, stinking boy. What? Bamba clot. Rap more Rasta. One man who will have to like the blood clot. Fire! Fire for you! Fire for you, but you want to have no wife. Pussy! Fire for you!
That's right.
Fire for your blood clot. I would have guessed the blood clot fire. Batty boy! Stinking Rasta, yes, full of blood clot. Maggot! Yes, full of maggot, dirty, stinking bomber clot. Rotten skin, boy!
I don't know, I can't like the fire, just jump in there and kill yourself. Jump in the fire, man.
Love me, man. Love me, man. When you have to go through blood clot. Love me, bamba, Rasta, man. Get this here, your bamba clotting coat and love me, man. This man, love me, sir. Me mama give me that. Love me, man. Get this here, your blood clot. Lincoln, love me, don't have a bamba clot. Me not even have the blood clot, sir. Love me, bamba, Rasta, yeah, sir. Let me live in blood clot life.
Tap the eyes, run, man.
Let me say love before you chop up your blood clot.
You wake up every
Chop up your bamba clot, love me, man. Come on, for them, theater.
They get two big stone, man, boy, chop up.
Your bamba, Rasta.
One thing me have to tell all American girls say, watch out, man, you don't get no man in Jamaica. Cause you see, every man them there Jamaica, you know, hear say, we reach out there, and we have money. We not spend dollar pound. Cause we hear say, America you come from, but you know, give we food, you know, take care of you, something. You think we idiot? So you see, as soon as you know, ask for something, so it's a no. We done with the relationship right away. Cause we not have nothing for go no. All of we have $50 million, we not give no American girl nothing, dog. I him want clocks and something for my sitting bro, got and green card. A green card we work for mama. Tap off your idiotness, cause I don't you see we there, so I use it back. A green card we are there for have send me some credit or send me money. You think so we are idiot? We don't want to live it true, you know? Cause we know so we know how we.
Where that?
The prettiest meal.
One that. One you go slime. Watch it. Watch how where you made pepper too. Red pepper. You know like where? One done. We are real done. We talk about that. Slap where? Catch it.
It's a meal pretty.
We meal a Jamaican meal. Catch Jamaican Batman meal. Oh. Not say something. Not say something.
Don't do that.
Not say something.
I'll put it to the side. Yo, shot. Meal up, but I like.
Go ahead now.
Let me tell you something to you. All I man them, when I see come around, the whole of them tell us to run around, call me a madman. And I don't see them. I don't see them. And me alone around you now. Sometimes they come to bumbo cloth to make money. And me run them a job. And me run them and you. And me run them to bumbo cloth. Because they say me a madman. You build house give them. You hungry them even better me. And you turn your foot then gone.
Put here, no tell lie at him.
Bad brother.
Eh? And lie at him, blood.
A serious thing me I tell me boss. Serious thing.
Right? And I take your I come to Jamaica, right? I can go out with your wife?
Yeah. So you want to see my wife?
Huh?
You want to talk to my wife?
Oh, don't want to talk to your wife?
Yeah.
Yeah, where she at?
You know there, you got to Boston.
What?
Boston, Jamaica, Boston.
Oh, no, so I gotta come to Jamaica.
In Jamaica, Boston, England.
Someone said
I'm here doing that,
Wait, hey, who is she? Wait, okay, who is Sheena?
Your name Sheena. Sheena, my wife.
Okay. Oh, so that's your wife.
Yes, Sheena Philip.
Hey, Luxury, you back in the chat. Hey, Luxury, how old are you? How old are you,
Up on
Luxury?
TikTok. Yeah, Sheena up on TikTok. Me up on TikTok.
Okay, so I can take Sheena out on the date.
I will run TikTok.
So I can take Sheena out on the date.
Yeah.
Tell him say Juki a go take away Sheena. What that mean?
So me I got bro son go meet her now.
I don't
So
know.
me birthday left before with me for talk.
I don't know what he just said, chat.
Yeah, me.
Yeah. So like, what does your wife like to eat?
You eat already. You want some money? I want some money.
No, I'm not. I'm not asking for money. I'm asking like, what does your wife like to eat?
My wife like to eat.
Yeah, well, like what she like what food she like to eat?
Eat anything.
Okay, so if I make her Alfredo, so I can make her Alfredo.
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't. Okay. Is that her?
Huh?
Is that her?
What is it? Is that her?
Yeah, is that her? Okay.
I mean her. I mean her.
No, I said, is that her?
No, that's not.
No, wait, who was that? Who was that?
No, that's not.
MC a Jamie.
A Jamie.
Okay.
No,
So,
I understand.
So would you? So like, let me ask you this: who's your What the? That's Jamie. Okay. All right. So let me say. All right. Let me think of another question. Who's your celebrity crush? Who's your celebrity crush? Do you have a celebrity crush?
No, that's not your talk.
Me a teach every little youth this. Every little bumbuckler youth this say. Fuck pussy and breed blood clot girl. Pussy we say. You hear that? Batman for dead. We don't care who and bumbuckler vex when we blood clot out that. Every man we fuck batty for blood clot dead. Bumbuckler.